So before I get started, I want to let you guys know I have a site called ConvoCourses.com where it's free to sign up, tons of free downloadables, free training on all things cybersecurity. I'm also open for other people to join me to teach. If you actually happen to be an actual IT professional or cybersecurity professional, you can actually make a course and post it on ConvoCourses.com. But check out ConvoCourses.com. I also wrote a few books on risk management framework, ISO stuff. There's another book coming in the series. If you're interested, go to Amazon and type in RMF ISO, ISSO, and you'll find it. And if you happen to be watching me right now, here's what it looks like. My name is Bruce, so look for that author. And then also I have an audio version of this book as well. So check it out. There's two different versions of it and very informative. It's basically everything I wish somebody would have taught me when I started, and also things that I know people really need to know, which is interpretation of the security controls for the NIST 800, and lots of great information on there. I've been doing this for years, so there's tons and tons of free resources on YouTube, and I'm starting to put it on TikTok as well. I'm getting a lot of feedback from TikTok, so I'm gonna keep posting on there. It's really a great community, really very I had no idea there's so many people who wanted to know more stuff about this, how to get into cybersecurity, how to actually to do this kind of stuff. So I'm excited to keep going here. I've got somebody on YouTube just found you on YouTube while looking for ISO material. Great resource. And thank you, Bruce. Man, thanks a lot. Thanks you for the kudos. Appreciate that. I'm gonna keep going, keep providing great information out there for you guys. And